Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1955 Ford F100 killer little truck. I've actually owned this car a couple of times now. Originally bought this truck out of Tennessee. It's about, I think it's like a 12-year-old frame-off restoration. Good truck. Love the color combination. It's finished in a silver metallic, and then it's got a custom red interior. It's got all TMI seats in it. Great truck. Really hits the road good. A lot of fun to drive. It's got AC. Updated drivetrain with a crate 302 and automatic overdrive trans. Just a fun truck, man. It's really priced right, and if you're looking for something that's fun, it's just a great truck to cruise around, I think you're gonna love this thing. I love these old fat fender Ford trucks. It sits good, very nicely done. Just a good looking truck. Again, it's about 12 years old on the resto, so there's a couple little things that you can kind of nitpick. There's a couple little blemishes you can kind of see as you walk around it. Nothing horrible, but you know, as always, you can pick them all. They've replaced the bumpers, the fog lights work. They've updated the headlights. When I originally bought it, the truck was out of Tennessee. It's got the dual mirrors. They put new glass in it. They've upgraded the wipers. They're electric. He's put this custom pinstriping all over you. If you don't like it, actually oven cleaner actually takes that off, but it looks good. Tonneau cover, it's diamond plate underneath here. It also has the custom fuel tank in the center of the bed. Again, as you walk, you can see a couple of stone pecks, things like that, but very well maintained, guys. Love these fat fender trucks, man. They're just so cool. This one's got brand spanking new BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it with the red steel wheels. And it's got the trim rings and the dog dish hubcaps. Good looking truck. It does have a trailer hitch on it too. I think there's a plug-in too, so if you want to pull a little trailer behind it or something. You're seeing this, I think that's just a little, yeah, it's a little spray wax or something Gary got on it. Sits good. It's got a Volare front suspension. I'll tell you what, I've had about 10 vehicles with that Volare front suspension. And I'll tell you what, man, they drive great. Kind of like a Mustang too. It's got a 302 crate engine in it, guys. There's about 8,500 miles on this truck, but actually there's only about 4,000 on this engine. I guess after they put it together, they had a different engine in it, had some trouble out of it. Ended up buying this 302 crate engine for it. Holley 4-barrel, Weiand aluminum intake. Does have headers. You can see they've got that serpentine pulley system in it. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got aftermarket heat and AC. Upgraded the ignition. You can see it's got an HEI distributor on it. Automatic overdrive trans. It's got power shut-off switch in the engine compartment there. Aluminum radiator with electric fan. Of course, he's got those neat thinned aluminum Cobra air cleaner and valve covers on it. a good driver. And you want to jump in something and cruise, I think you'll have a blast with this thing. Yeah, a little touch-up mark. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. They replaced all the glass in it when they did the truck. New door handles. Love this interior. This is really nice stuff. It's like a leather and a suede. I mean, you can see the pattern on the door handles are nice. These seats are super comfortable. They've upgraded it to the shoulder harness seat belts, but this is a TMI seat. These things are awesome, man. They are very comfortable to sit in. TMI makes great stuff. Tilt column, chrome tilt column with a Banjo wheel. Of course, you got the red leather wrap, matching steering wheel. 8551 on your odometer. Again, about half of that is on this engine. Video gauges. Looks like it's got the cowl vent works too. H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system, and it's got an 8.8 Ford rear end. No big monster gear. Definitely built to cruise. This does work. You can unlatch it and fold it down. Then it's got a diamond plate finish in here. Does have the fuel tank put in the center there. That is a car cover for this truck, custom made for this truck. The nice thing about this, if you go to a car show, day like today, where it's raining, we don't know what the rain's going to do all day long. You can throw your cooler, your chairs and stuff like that in, and stuff's not going to get wet back there. Clean underneath. As always, there's always photos on our website at the bottom of the vehicles. Really stressing this to everybody right now. If you're looking at our cars, make sure you're looking at them at southernmotors.com. A lot of scams going on the internet right now. Hey, let's do things the old-fashioned way. Pick up the phone and call us. 248-620-3355. We're here Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Love these seats. Very nice. Blower motor works. That switch underneath the dash is actually for your fog lights. Okay, just kick your air on. Air blows cold. Truck really runs and drives. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Down. Let me make sure. Yep. I need to be running down the road. Good raises up. This is a good looking truck, man. Gauges are all functional. You can see it's holding good oil pressure. Doors open and close nice. Fit and finish is nice on the truck. Good sound. Good sound and flows on it. Just a fun truck, man. No radio in it, so if you want a radio, you have to do something different, but blower motor works. Electric wipers are functional. Yeah, he's upgraded those headlights. Horns on, nope, horns on the side. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page or TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. That's coming to our website very soon as well. You'll be able to register for new inventory.